In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Selfcare, the online management portal for your Universe communication system. Go to selfcare.thisisuniverse.io and log in using the email and password that you received in your welcome email. The first time that you log in, you'll need to select your secure sign-in method. When you log in, you'll see this screen. I'll give you a brief overview of the main functions that a user can carry out in each of the sections. Administrators will have access to other screens, and this will be covered in another video. You'll find this and more detailed how-to videos on the resources page of our website. First of all, it's a good idea to check your profile. On the front screen, you'll see your name in the top right-hand corner. Click on this and then go to the My Profile section in the drop-down. Check that you have the correct time zone and that all the other details are correct. You can also change your password to something more memorable and upload a photo or avatar here. The Me page shows your events timeline on the left-hand side. The last 25 events on your Universe account will be shown here. This includes incoming and outgoing calls, as well as any voicemail messages that have been left. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can see the usage of minutes to mobile and fixed numbers in the current calendar month. Your screen may look different to mine depending on the package that your company has purchased. Below this is your group membership. These are the agent groups that your administrator has added you to. As you can see, I'm a member of the customer orders, customer service and marketing groups. This means that I can answer calls that come into these queues. I can remove myself from a queue by simply setting the active button to off. My administrator can see that I'm no longer part of the marketing group. If I scroll right to the bottom, you can see my Universe 1 number. This is the phone number that applies to all my Universe devices. And above this you have the devices that are connected to Universe and the caller ID that is displayed when you call from them. So I've got two fixed phones which are currently offline. I have my mobile softphone and my computer softphone devices with one number set to on. This means that both of these devices will ring at the same time if my one number is called. If I slide the button to off, this removes my mobile from one number and only my computer softphone will ring. If I want to change the number that is displayed when I call, I simply go to the caller ID section next to the device I wish to change. Press the down arrow and select your number from the options. I've chosen anonymous, so when I call from my mobile app, my usual number is not displayed. The devices page is where you can see information about your Universe devices. Click Settings next to a device and you'll be taken to this screen. Here you can change the number of seconds that your device will ring for before the call goes to voicemail. And you can forward your calls to another number from here by sliding the Part of One number button to off. You then need to enter the number that you want to send your calls to in either the Call Forward Always or the Call Forward No Answer field and press Save. In the Services section, you can set up and change your voicemail greeting. and listen to, download and delete any voicemail messages. And if I click on one number, you can see that I can forward my calls from here. So I'm forwarding any calls that I don't answer to my mobile. The phone book is where your contacts are stored. In here you will find the company contacts that your administrator has added, and users of the system are automatically added here. You can also add your own contacts by pressing Create Contact and filling in the details. You can delete your own contacts here, but not the company contacts that your administrator has added. And finally, your software icon allows you to download the relevant software for your computer softphone, Windows or Mac, and also for your Apple or Android mobile device. You'll find detailed videos on using your Universe communication system on the resources page of our website, where you can also download the complete user guide. Thank you for watching.